In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these WASSCE chemistry problems under change of state of matter. So we have 7 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, the following statements are correct except option A, particles move faster in the gaseous state than in the liquid state. Yeah, this is correct. Option B, carbon atoms in gaseous methane are further apart than those in solid diamond. Yes, that's correct. Energy is released when liquid is changed to solid. That's correct. There is large decrease in the volume of a solid metal when pressure is applied to it. No, this is not correct. So the right option is option D. The next repeated question, this is the exception here. The next repeated question is this one. It says, consider the changes in state of matter as represented in the sketch. Stage X represents the process of, so at this stage X, this solid is changing to liquid, so this shows melting. Option D. Alright, so the next repeated question is this one. It says, when a substance changes directly from the gaseous state to the solid state without forming a liquid, the substance state would be, so this question didn't get put in the right sentence. This would have been a substance, when a substance changes directly from the solid to the gaseous state. All right, the answer to this question is sublimation actually. So they didn't arrange a sentence, so instead of saying gaseous state to solid state, they would have said solid state to gaseous state. So the right option is, what they're trying to imply here is sublimation. So this sublime, option A, is the right answer. Next repeated question will be this one. It says, which of the following increase as boiling water changes to steam degree of disorder in the system? Yeah, that's the right option. I wouldn't see the answer because of entropy. So as you increase the boiling of water to steam, there will be increase in disorderliness of the system. So that's entropy. Option A is the right answer to this question. Entropy will increase. Next question will be this one. It says, when ice is changing to water, its temperature remains the same because the heat gain is used to separate the molecules used to increase the volume of ice less than the activation energy lost partially to the atmosphere. So the right option is option A. The heat gain is used to separate the molecules. The next question will be this one. It says, pure water can be made to boil at a temperature lower than 0 by increasing the internal pressure. Okay, option A is by decreasing the external pressure. Option B, increasing the external pressure. Option C, distilling it. Option D, reducing its quantity. So for pure water to boil at temperature lower than 0, so you have to decrease the external pressure. Right option is option A. Last question before I end this video will be this one. It says, the following setup can be used to demonstrate. So this kind of setup is used to, we're having hydrogen here, we're having bromine vapor. So this kind of setup shows diffusion. Alright, we're already seeing gases already, so this shows diffusion. This basically can do a problem involving change of state of matter for your WASSCE or chemistry. Practice with 7 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something to try from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know if you for what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button, where we're getting premium information to help you to excel in your SNE exams like WASSCE and other SNE exams you'll be writing. Alright, so having done this, click on the screen above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.